So dear teachers, this is the worksheet sample for Dewey'S theory. I have taken the lesson plan for shapes, so that is why I have integrated the worksheet for the shapes only. Exploring the shapes around us, and it is relatable with the environment outside. So first of all, we will start with the instructions. Definitely, we have some objectives in the classroom. So we need to reach those objectives, but yes, instructions are also important. So look around your classroom or at home or outside the classroom, find the objects that match the shapes shown below or given below, or draw a picture of each object in the space provided. So it means n number of things are there in one single worksheet. There will be least distraction. They need to go outside the classroom. They have to look at their home as well. They need to do some findings also. After that, they need to go for the matching as well. After that, they have to go for the drawing as well. And then they will go for the submission. I mean, it is a rich one when we go systematically. So let's go for the shapes. We need to find what? We need to find circle, square, triangle, and rectangle. So it is actually shape hunt basically. So you need to hide different shapes in different areas, and you need to give the carry bags to the children, and you need to help the children. First, give them instruction that you need to find this, and this is the complete area where you can find it. So it will be a very fruitful, least distracted, more engaged, beautiful learning. After that, objectives. Identify those different shapes which you have gathered. So I have not given anything to you. You have gathered, and you need to identify that. And then you need to practice the drawing. You need to understand that visually. You need to explain me verbally. You need to encourage your curiosity. What is your observation? And on the basis of the observation, you have few flashcards. You can design few flashcards in the worksheet only, which the child will create in the classroom. It will be beneficial for you. For the rubrics, they need to find the object, then they draw that object. Similarly, for circle, for square, after that triangle and rectangle. So this is how they do. Now, at last, definitely, I have explained it before as well, that reflection based questions should be there. So what they have done, they have explored, they have done drawing, they have done matching, and they will speak also. They will give their observance as well. After that, they will give the answer of your questions. So there are few reflection based questions. You can also design so many questions on the basis of the complete observation, how the children have done that complete activity, and then you can ask those questions to the children so that to enhance their complete vocabulary. Extension is obviously optional, but yes, it is good to go. As I told you, if I am on an elevated mood, and if I am having a good weather, or if I am having very beneficial and supportive environment in the classroom, sometimes extensions take place. So look outside the window, go outside and think of natural objects, assemble those, draw something out of them. You can make something on your table, you can create something from those pebbles, and you can show it to the teacher. So this is the extension, and few children will connect with you in a very naturally and beautiful manner because they are excelling learners in the classrooms. So there are few notes for the teachers. You have to encourage the students. You need to make them more explore. You need to understand that they need to emphasize on the importance of the observation. Critical thinking is definitely very important, and it is going on very naturally because you are giving them that pace. Discuss the findings, discuss the drawings of the students. Very important, because that is why we are doing that we need to go for the discussion, and it can be on the next day of the circle time. So this worksheet is actually encouraging the children to actively engage with the surroundings, applying the philosophy of learning through direct experience. So whatever the experience you are giving to them, promote their cognitive development and make them good learners. So this is all about this worksheet based on Dewey's theory, and I believe it will help you in your classroom to design such for your children as well.